Hi everyone, this is Srinivas. Now I am going to present the internship project, and the title of the project is Image Encryption and Decryption using Triple DES. And before getting into the project, I would like to thank Xbox Data Labs for giving these opportunities. And now I would like to give the brief introduction of the project, why I would build the project, and what is the necessity for building this project. I am using these algorithms, and today, almost all digital services like internet communication and multimedia systems require digital image to be stored and transmitted to the network, which consists of the important information, maybe the secure information. So there is a need for security for carrying such type of images, maybe the such type of data. So in order to provide the security level, I have designed the system, maybe I have implemented the system using the triple DES, in which by using this key, we can encrypt the images with some algorithms, and by using the same key, we can decrypt the image. So firstly, while you are sending to the images to the the sender will receive the encrypted image, and after accessing the encrypted image by using the key, he can decrypt the image. Now we'll get into the implementation part, or the introduction part. And firstly, what is meant by encryption and decryption? Firstly, we'll see the encryption part. Encryption, it is the process of encoding a message or maybe some data. It is by using some mathematical operation. And decryption is the reverse process. By using the same algorithms, we have to decrypt the process. Here I have used the key concept. I mean, mainly the key concept. By using the same key, we can decrypt the image or data. And here I have used the triple DS algorithms. Triple DS is the firstly it is an triple DS means triple data encryption system. Is in customized cryptography where the block of the cheaper algorithms are applied three times to each block. And here I have used the 16-bit key and the system requirements for implementing this software. And coming to the system design means this is systems, and this encryption of triple layers and the decryption using triple layers. And coming to the implementation first we have to install and import the libraries which are necessary for building this process, that is matplotlib and the matplot image files. Okay, then after we have to install the PyDS, that is the triple DS modules. All modules will cover over the PyDS, and after that we have to give the path where the image is located in our system. By default, it will search the path, and after the image encryption, by using this image encryption module, the triple DS module, we can encrypt the image with the cheaper text, that is the cheaper text dot encrypt to the plain text, and after that it opens the files, that is the image file, and after that it will read all over the file, and it will convert, or it will encrypt the text into the it will encrypt the image into the text with some security to the 16-bit key. And for decryption also we are using the same process like the try and by these try modules. And firstly we'll read that encrypted file, and after that by using the triple ds we'll convert the decrypt and encrypted into decrypted file, and finally we'll get the output as this one. The image is finally got encrypted, and this is the key where it was ordinated to the encrypted file. And this is the code of the project. And coming to the output screen, if you see the folders means, firstly before implementing the project we will see only the project code and the test image, and after running the project we will see the encrypted image and the decrypted image also. First, the decrypted image is then say secured algorithm, and maybe with them it is converted to the plain text which is unreadable. And the conclusion, finally the conclusion of the project is, the main thing for implementing this project is to secure the image data for an unauthorized access. And the future scope is by building the connecting these all sources to the web and building an app also. And this is all. I have used these references. And coming to that implementation part in code, firstly you will see the folders before getting in. See, there is only the image data and the project code, and after that in this folder. And after implementing the project we will see the changes that were done in the folders. And firstly I will run the project because I had already installed that matplotlib. And see, the firstly this is the 16-bit key, and after that it was waiting for the image to encryption. After that successfully the image got, will get the image as successfully encrypted, image successfully encrypted, image encrypted successfully. After that, for waiting the decryption, it will also the shows the image decrypted successfully. And this is all about the project. By using these algorithm, triple DS algorithm, I have built all this project. And before implementing the project, we will see this is done. And we had already implemented the project. So if you go on check this means, see this is the encrypted file and this is the decrypted file. After decrypting, we'll got the original image. And if you want to see, I mean, if what the text, the original image code means, this is the unreadable text. This is the unreadable text for after encrypting the image. And that's it. Thank you once again for giving this opportunity.